My name is Th.Angteshang Maring, President of the All Naga Students Association Manipur, ANSAM. Today, the Office of ANSAM has submitted two memorandum to His Excellency, the Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Bala IAS Retired. The memorandum was submitted to apprise the voice, the concerns of the Naga population and all the people of state in general. The memorandum was submitted with regards to the scrapping of FMR, Free Movement Regime, by the government of India in Naga areas, and also with regards to the imposed border construction along the artificial Indo-Myanmar border affecting the Naga areas. Here, by raising this issue, the Nagas, ANSAM, representing the voice of the Naga population, is not against any other community's demands or wishes. We are neither against the Meitei community nor in favor of the Kuki community, but we are uprising, standing up for the rights, to assert the rights of the indigenous Naga people. Here, the government of India, without concerning the Naga population, the indigenous Naga people in that area, they came up with an order to go for the border fencing construction. And now the border fencing construction is going on. In the pretext of controlling the illegal immigrants coming from the foreign countries. Our main concern here is border fencing construction is not a solution to control this illegal influx of illegal immigrant in our area, in the state of Manipur, in India. The government of India, government of Manipur is sincere enough to tackle this illegal immigrants issue. They could have adopted various acts like NRC. As we have all known the refugees. By mentioning refugees, I mean to each and every people, to every community who came in the state of in our state illegally. I mean to mention to them. They were here in our land since 90s. Now, with this ongoing violence, after May 3rd, the government of India has decided to control the illegal immigrants with the adoption of the border fencing. This is somewhat musical. If they're really concerned enough, they should go for the implementation of the NRC. And the Naga civil society organizations has been raising the voice to hold on the construction of border fencing. Despite of various voice, various press release, various medias, various memorandums, the government of India paid no heed to the voices of the Naga people. Government of India, the India being a democratic country, they should have the space, they should have the consultation room to consult with the stakeholders and to hear, to learn the democratic voice of the people. Without doing that, it is very unconstitutional. And we have mentioned the details in our memorandum. Of course, the memorandum will be exposed to you, will be declared before you. You can take the photographs. And here, we would like to give a strong word to the government of India. Let this be a strong message to the government of India. If the government of India still goes on the border construction, the Nagas will not remain silent. We will take up various kind of agitation. By taking this, by saying this, we are not against the government, but against the decision to supersede the rights of the indigenous people. So we are here standing up for the rights of the Nagas. We will continue standing up for our rights till our voice is heard. So we will go on, we'll keep on rising, we'll keep on demanding to to stop this border fencing construction and reinstate the free movement regime in Naga areas.